Can a gorilla who's an archmage of a magic university, that's me, beat 100 of my students in a duel? I was genuinely curious, so I've rolled up my character sheet. The way this is going to work is I'm going to be a level 20 wizard and my students, they're all going to be level 3. We're going to see how that goes for now. These are our respective hit points. It is not looking great for me. Now this is going to be a lesson in something in games we call the action economy. The basic principle being whichever side gets more turns per round is the most likely side to win. So the first thing we got to figure out is the initiative order. Who's going first and how likely is it that I get a shot off before any of them do? Annoyingly, we both have a +2 on initiative. Now the setup for the fight is going to be me in the middle and them in a 60-foot radius circle around me. I feel like if I was given time to prepare or they showed up in a big straight line, then it wouldn't really be fair to them, because if I can prepare, then you're getting hit with circuitry. Right, I've done a quick simulation and this is the number of students on the x-axis that will be going before me, and then this is the number of the times in the simulation where this happened. This spike here is basically for when I roll a 20. Out of politeness, I at least get to go first then. So what's the minimum number of students that need to go to, on average, do 102 points of damage to me? Well, my students aren't idiots, so they're going to use Shatter, which is one of the best spells they have available to them. Argue with me in the comments. I'm not going to argue with you, but you can argue with yourself. I threw my sword. Each Shatter does 3d8 damage. And to not take the full damage, I've got to make a Constitution saving throw, and I've got a +1 on that. Oh no. But I'm proud of my students for playing to my weaknesses. Now, the DC is 12 and I'm going to be rolling between 2 and 21. That means I have a 50-50 chance of taking the full damage. Now, the average roll of the damage dice is equal to the number of dice you're rolling the sides +1 divided by 2. And since half the time I will be halving that damage, the average is going to be 3/4 NS +1 divided by 2. That means the average damage each student is doing to me is 10.125 hit points. Oh no. That means in order to survive to have my first turn, I need to be able to beat at least 10 students in initiative order. Any more than that, and on average, I'm not going to be doing very well. So to get that probability, we're just going to sum all the times when I got less than 10. For simplicity, I could do the theory, but for now, we'll just do this. That gives me the probability of taking a turn of just about 1/8. So this is just a bit higher than that. Lucky me, right? Exactly, it's about 1/7.5. There you go. Now, if you want to see what I'm going to do on my turn, should I get it, then let me know in the comments, because I want to show these students why they shouldn't fight an archmage. But also, I better be more prepared. I'm going to start making contingencies. Anyway, have a lovely day, unless you're one of the 100.